I don't have the patience skills to do this. Only the square and the dotted lines. Do not do this by yourself. You will likely set something on fire. And this is the dangerous part. You're gonna be very, very careful. Oh. Hello everyone, welcome back to another science video. In today's video, we are going to be making some hot air spin wheels, I think. So yeah, let's get started. So we have our materials here. We got some paper with some dotted lines. We gotta cut through that. Matches, be very careful. Wax, I'm not sure. Straws, whatever that is, scissors. And some sticks. And also, we got some scissors here, but they were not included. So, let's get started. All right, so first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this paper. You see these dotted lines? We have to cut through the dotted lines to make a spiral. So, let's begin. I don't have the patience skills to do this. You cut the dotted lines. Just cut the dotted lines. Oh, and also the square. Ini yang square-nya under the dot lines. Yang lainnya, yang other lines-nya jangan.
Ini juga kan?
Yes.
Semuanya kan gini. Gitu.
No. Ini yang straight line kayak gini nggak usah. Only the square and the dotted lines. Where's my scissors? My scissors are much better for this.
Look at this.
Yeah, that's good.
Gini?
Yes. Oh my god, this is so confusing. It takes so long.
Satu lagi, Kak.
Ya nggak usah, ini aja dulu. You can, but at the expense of safety. So make sure you have an adult or any supervisor next to you. Do not do this by yourself. You will likely set something on fire. And for our next step, we have to fold across these lines over here. You see these straight lines? We have to fold across those. So let me just do that real quick. And our next step is to fold these little stuff on the straw here. Basically, we fold over here like so. And basically what we're doing, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this masking tape. Take a while. How do I peel this? There you go. So basically what's next is we have to cut a little bit of this masking tape. Let's put this over here. And let's just tape it over here to make sure it does not pop off. So just put it right here. Okay, wait, hold on, it's too small. And then next, what we have, okay, hold on. So next what to do, basically you have to dump out this wax over here. So help keep the stick in place. Caution, I know it looks like Starburst, but please do not eat this. This is pure wax. So after that, we're going to have to place this up here, I think. Wait, no, over here. So here. And basically what we're going to do is going to place this over here. And this is the dangerous part. Please ask an adult or supervisor to help you with this part. So what you're going to do is you're going to take these matches over here. Oh, I am scared. Ah! We're gonna light the candle like such. Light. There you go. We're gonna light the candle like such, and you're going to place it over here. Now you're gonna need all 4 candles to do this. So let's take some more. There you go. You're gonna light this up. Oh. Why? Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay. I accidentally. I need to be very careful, Kak.
Iya, pelan-pelan aja.
Okay.
Jangan depan situ.
Gonna light this. Light. Oh, there you go. Light. And we put this here. Let's light it. Gonna light over here. Oh, is it gonna work? Work. Yes, thank you. And let's use another match. Make sure to keep any your clothes away from the candles and matches, as it can light your clothes on fire. So you gotta be very, very careful. Oh. Oh wow. You're gonna light this. And basically, you're gonna put this under here, and it should spin using the hot air. Alright, so basically how this works is that let's see, it's gonna stick here. Is that the hot air produced by the candles rises, allowing this to spin. Because hot air rises and cool air descends. So yeah, it's just some simple science, and that is how it works. Thank you so much for watching this simple origami, I guess, tap experiment, and I'll see you next time. Tune in. See you next time, y'all.